Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a great analytical dashboard right in Claude using a free account. So let's say if you are someone who is a non-technical person, or if you are someone who has just started data analytics and you have a portfolio project ready and you really want to upskill that by getting to know different insights that you can get from the data set, but you don't get that in your mind as of now. So you can utilize Claude to build a great analytical dashboard to really upskill your data science. So in this video, I'm going to share a simple prompt with you, which you can just copy and paste with your own data set, and you can really get the gist of your data set, the descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and then prescriptive analytics as well. So really to understand the data and then also to make a prediction out of it. So it's so easy. And let's jump right into the screen and I'll show you how to do that. All right. So this is the data set that we will be using for this activity. It's hotel booking demand data set. Here we will try to analyze the bookings that have been done over a period of time. And then most importantly, the cancellation rate and how can we reduce that to boost our revenue. And our disclaimer here is try to use the public data set for this activity. And let's say if you're using your company's data set, then try to do this activity on the AI tool which your company allows. So uh, this is the like simple data set with different columns you can say, and it's very enriched as well. So I've already downloaded its CSV and then uploaded that over here. It's a simple account. You don't need to have a paid account for doing this kind of analysis and building dashboard. So I'll just try to paste a prompt which I've created. It's a simple one. I'll just explain to you so that you can also change that according to your need if you want. Act as a senior data analyst, explore the data set, right? Then build dashboard across 4 layers. I want the Claude to build it in 4 layers: prescriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and then prescriptive. So this will really give us an idea about the data set, and it will cover all the things in a 360 angle. So after that, you can have a further conversation with that to drill down to a further case, what interests you the most. So I'll just enter and I'll wait to make a dashboard. So it can take couple of minutes depending upon the size of the data set that you have uploaded. So I'll just pause the video and I'll resume it when it has done that. All right. So Claude has actually built a dashboard. These are the things it actually did. It actually made some of the assumptions for the formulas, which I checked, and they are actually correct. And it's actually created a PDF. I just opened that, and you can also ask him to like create that over there. But PDF it's more accessible for everyone. Let's say if you want to share it with anyone as well. So I'll just expand that. And this is a great dashboard that Claude has built. I mean, it has added all the statistics, the summary of the data set, the assumptions, the KPIs. These are the like total bookings we have, cancellation rate, uh, like average ADR, realized revenue, average lead time, and then lost revenue as well. Look how like it added the color, which is different than the other ones, just to highlight the pain point. So due to cancellation, we are losing that much of revenue. Very precise details. So here in descriptive analytics, it actually performed different kind of analysis to really describe the data set, what is being happening over there, like the trend of booking, then revenue, and then cancellation rate over a period of time. Then we have different categories in which city hotels are dominating, then market segment, distribution, and all of the other stuff. And then concentration read as well, right? It also providing the short summary as well. And let's say if we move on to the diagnostic, and here we are actually analyzing the root cause, the why of that, like in which cases we are getting the most cancellations, non-refund deposits, where we have lead time of 1 year. Lead time is basically the time between the booking time and then the time when you check in the room. And then we have anomaly, outlier detection. We have a lot of description over there to read and understand that as well. And similarly, we have predictive analytics, the forecast, the projected revenue that we can have, and it actually analyze the dip that we can have in let's say next month based on the previous data sets trend. And it also created a segment which is at risk, which we can analyze and then send them some kind of marketing techniques to really make sure that they are not canceling any kind of bookings. Then we have prescriptive analytics. Here I've actually asked Claude to build a what if simulator. So let's say, what if, for example, right now if we look at our cancellation rate, that is around 37%, right? It's somewhere between this one, right? It's actually total this one. So let's say if we reduce it by this much and we keep the average ADR that we have, like then this is the like realized revenue that we can get. So how realistically, I mean, we can tweak around the cancellation rate and then we can see the numbers. It really helps us to make the decision better. And then it also provided the recommendation. Let's say investigate the non-refund deposit, then reassign the group booking flows and all of that. So yeah, as you can see, like how beautifully it built a dashboard with very no, like little to no code. Um, English is the main new language over here. You just need to use English or even your own local language to like tell the things that you want to do, and it will just try to do that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.